Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I want to walk you through how to redeem a card on Fortnite. The first thing you do is you have two ways to get to the Fortnite account. You can either use this way, which is the first way. I'll show you both ways in this video. This is the first way. From your preferred browser, you go to fortnite.com to bring you here, and the next thing you do is you click on your profile icon at the top left corner, click on account. We even have it right here. Just click on redeem. And then to bring you to this page, so you now put in your access code and click on redeem. It's as simple as that. Then we need help, simply click on this place, which is go here. And the second way you can get to it is by using this method, Epic Games method. Now you click on your browser, you type in www.epicgames.com, and then to bring you to the home page here. So over here you now click on payment management. No, not payment management. You click on redeem code, which is the last option. Then you enter your product code to redeem it. An example of a product code is what you can see here, from here to here, or this other one. Then you click on redeem. Now, in case you're wondering where you can find your code, you can check your confirmation email to find your product code. It can also be on the box or the manual. So that's where you can find your product code. Click on redeem. Now, these are the two ways to get to your Fortnite account to redeem your code. So once you've done all this, your Fortnite account, the reward will be added to your account. You can now access it in-game or through the item shop. Please, this is a very important notice. Fortnite codes are usually case sensitive and may expire, so be sure to redeem them as soon as possible. And if you encounter any issues, you can contact Epic Games Support for assistance. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.